case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Illinois Appellate Court heard the case of Triplett v. Beuckman in 1976. The case focused on a dispute over the removal of a bridge to an island and its replacement with a causeway. The bridge was in need of repair. Defendants failed to obtain plaintiffs' assistance. They resurfaced the bridge with concrete and iron. The construction ultimately failed and led to the construction of the causeway. Plaintiffs claimed that the causeway limited their recreational use of the lake. Defendants argued that they had the right to construct it. The trial court initially denied the plaintiffs' request to remove the causeway. The appellate court later granted injunctive relief to the plaintiffs, determining that the defendants breached their duty to repair the old bridge, thus interfering with the plaintiffs' easement rights. The court ruled that the person who owns an easement cannot move or change it without permission from the person who owns the property. The easement is on, and they have to maintain it. The court overturned the trial court's decision and remanded the case for further proceedings. Plaintiffs were granted injunctive relief to remove the causeway and restore their easement rights. The defendants were not ordered to reconstruct the bridge. The trial court was instructed to determine an appropriate bridge span, considering the use of the causeway and recreational purposes.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.